Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill. So, I don't know, not many of you have watched my debacle of a YouTube live stream. I learned a lot since yesterday, and basically going to hopefully do better. Would you all like to see a Deuce Drive live stream? Please comment, let me know, especially if there's anything y'all want to see different, like the camera angles. Do you want to see more of the road, or do you want to see the cab going out the windshield, and seeing somewhat of the road? At least the truck did not go right. The truck did good. The truck seems to be running really good. So, and anyway, as always, subscribe if you do enjoy my content. So, that's all I got for today. Again, I apologize for that wretched live stream. It will get better. I do promise that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.